Hello friends, today I am Ritika here from our YouTube channel Indian Legal Ligan, and today's litigation news is Supreme Court issues notice to Bar Council of India in plea to stay AIBE. The Supreme Court on Monday sought the response of the Bar Council of India in a petition challenging the All Bar India Bar Examination Rules 2010 framed by the BCI, which mandate an advocate has to qualify the All India Bar exam in order to practice before Indian court. A bench of Judge A.M. Khalvarkar, B.R. Gwai and Krishna Murari also issued notice to BCI in a plea seeking stay on conducting AIB. The notice is returnable in 3 weeks. The court during the hearing noted that challenge to the AIB is already pending before the Supreme Court. The petitioners' counsel V.K. Biju argued that the issue was whether AIB can be held in the absence of power on the part of BCI is prescribed such an exam. The bench agreed and therefore sought the response of BCI to the interim period to stay AIB. The petition filed by Parthasarathy Mahesh Sarf, who enrolled in 2019, questioned the authority of the BCI to prescribe such a post-enrollment requirement for practice. The petitioner also challenged the notification issued by the BCI on December 21, 2020 regarding the holding of AIB 2021 on January 24 and March 13. The plea said that issue whether the Bar Council of India has the power to prescribe qualification of pre-enrollment or post-enrollment exam as a condition to practice has been referred to the Constitution Bench by a 3-judge bench in 2016 and that it was still pending. The petition has also highlighted that as per 1973 amendment to the Advocates Act Clause D and subsection Clause 1 of Section 24 of the Advocates Act, which provides for passing of an examination held by the State Bar Council after training as a condition for enrollment was omitted.
ऐसे लॉ से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ के लिए आप हमें सब्सक्राइब करें